National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, east central Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, southwestern Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky until 3:30 p.m. At 2:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Evansville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Henderson, Boonville, Newburgh, Chandler, Rockport, Melody Hill, Eureka, and Tennyson. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 13. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Spencer, Vanderburgh and Warwick, and Henderson, Kentucky.